Morning students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric. You have studied a chapter with the same title in your class 6th, that is Fiber to Fabric. But in that chapter you have learned about plant fibers, that is cotton and jute. But in this chapter you are going to learn about animal fibers, wool and silk. As we all know, wool we get from animals, and the most common source of wool is sheep. But in this chapter you will learn that there are certain more animals which give us wool. As well as we will learn about the process of getting wool from the animals and how do we separate the wool fibers and we get the fabric from them. As well as we will learn about silk, another animal fiber which we get from silkworm, the process of getting silk, as well as the process of getting fabric from the fiber. So in this chapter we are going to learn about all these things. But before starting the chapter, let's first discuss about keywords of this chapter. First keyword is fleece, which is also mentioned here. Fleece, a thin layer of skin with hair. So आपके animals की जो skin होती है उस पर जो hair होते हैं लंबे लंबे, as you can look at here, sheep, it is having a very long hair on its skin. तो आपके जो thin layer of skin with hair, this is known as fleece. Second keyword is shearing, the process of removing layer of thick hair from the body of animals. So that is shearing. The process of removing layer of thick hair from the body of animals. सो वो प्रोसेस जिससे आप इस लेयर ऑफ स्किन को यानी फ्लीस को एनिमल्स की बॉडी से रिमूव करते हैं, लाइक शेव करते हैं. सो दैट इज shearing. नेक्स्ट कीवर्ड इज scouring. नेक्स्ट इज scouring. Scouring means the process of removing dirt, oil or grease or any other impurity from the fleece. So in simple words we can say scouring means washing or cleaning of the fleece. तो आपके फ्लीस में से डर्ट, ऑयल, ग्रीस या और भी कुछ इम्प्योरिटी प्रेजेंट है तो उसे हटाना, दैट इज स्काउरिंग. नेक्स्ट इज sorting. Sorting, do you remember you have done a chapter in class 6, sorting of materials? Yes, so sorting means separation, छांटना, अलग अलग करना. So sorting is the process of separation of fibers according to their length, texture और color. So आपके पास fibers जो अलग अलग types के आते हैं उन्हें उनकी length के according, texture के according, color के according और उनकी quality के according separate करना, so that we can use accordingly. That is sorting. Next is reeling. Next is reeling. This is the process of taking out fiber from the cocoon. We will learn about cocoon in this chapter, the life stage at which we get the silk. So the process of taking out fiber from the cocoon, यानी cocoon में से fiber बाहर निकालना यानी silk fiber बाहर निकालना या अलग करना, that is reeling. Next is sericulture. Next is sericulture. Sericulture says you. Sericulture is the process of rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk. As we are going to learn in this chapter, silkworms को पालना, उनको feed देना, उनकी care करना, so that we can get the silk from them. So this process of rearing of silkworms is known as sericulture. The last keyword is cocoon. This is the covering of fibers which completely covers the larva. As I told you, cocoon, this is one of the stage of the silkworm. जिस stage पर आपको silk fiber मिलता है, so cocoon is the covering of fibers which completely covers the larva, as we will learn in the life cycle of the silkworm. So these are the keywords of the chapter, and we are going to learn about the life cycle of silkworm and the process of getting silk from the silkworms and the use of that silk for getting fabric. Okay, take care, read the chapter carefully and try to find out more keywords from the chapter. Thank you.